pigs, and you got flowers up there. I suck.
Are you stuck?
I suck can't do my face. I teapot. I don't know I got teapot. I want a teapot.
Well, the teapot's over here.
Bless
you.
I think I want to drink. I'm stuck.
You're not stuck. Oh, bless you. God bless you, Maddie.
You like teapot? You like teapot?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Can you... Oh, you're pouring a cup of tea. Thank you, Maddie.
Welcome.
Thank you. I got my little teapot.
Oh.
Do you know how to set them up?
Yes.
Show me. You know how to open it a little bit? And then it'll stay up.
Huh?
If you open it a little bit, it'll stay up.
Oh.
Oh dear. Well, that's okay. It won't really spill.
Whoa. Stay.
Yay.
It's not stay.
It's not, well, you're not doing it right.
What's the nest?
The nest is still there, I think. I don't know if there's baby birds in there or not. You have a good memory.
I didn't get out. Hey, I can't do that anymore.
Are you really stuck?
Stop that. That's not stop that thing. I out.
She's out and about.
This the. I can't go about now. Hey, myself.
Yep, you dropped it on the floor. Can you say bye to the movie? I'm going to shut it off. Bye, movie.
No.
What's that face for? That's a funny face.
I'm with the teapot. Myself. My teapot.
It's on the floor.
It's my teapot.
That's your teapot.
You want more?
You want more?
You want
Okay,
more?
okay, I got to end this.